What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another unboxing video, and we are finally unboxing these beautiful, wonderful, amazing acrylics by Fairy Glamour. And I have been dying to unbox these. It's been so long since I ordered them that I totally forgot what any of them looked like. So today I felt like I didn't know what to expect, and it was really awesome. Look at this one. So this is like giving pink lemonade vibes, and it's called Paradise Cove. I really like it. I did go ahead and mix these up. I realized that they had been sitting in the box for a while. Maybe it would be a good idea to give them a shake. So I did do that. I do recommend doing that before you even bother taking that little thing off, because I did it afterwards and I made a huge mess. So don't be like me. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel today. Go ahead and give this video a big fat thumbs up if you think that you like it so far. I'm sure that you're going to love it by the end. And also, if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe if you like to be notified every time I upload. If you do subscribe, then you can ring the notification bell, and then that way you can be notified when I update or when I upload. And also, I do send updates via email if you are subscribed to my blog, www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog. But anyways, so moving on, this one is called Cancer. I think this one is like, I don't want to say it's my favorite one, but I just really love this one with a passion. I thought it was so cool how it was like giving gray vibes, but then those big glitters had the iridescent color. I just cannot explain how much I loved it. This one is a shimmery purple color, and I really like it. It was, at first I had to get the hang of it, but I did get the hang of it, so I understand how this one is supposed to look. And when we do swatch it, you guys are going to see. And then this one is called California Girl. I was on edge about getting this one. I really couldn't decide. I could definitely see myself ordering from this brand again. So the next time that I order from them, then we'll do like a little website review. And then that way we can go ahead and go through like all the colors together. Or maybe we can even do that and I'll post it on my blog. Or if you guys want it and I can post it publicly on my YouTube, then that's fine too. This one I think was my favorite. I really, really loved it. Well, I don't know. It's hard to decide a favorite, but that one was so glittery. That one is like almost 98% glitter and like 2% powder, and somehow it was amazing. Oh yeah, no, that one was my favorite one, because the next one I really loved was the Cancer one, but I really loved the pink lemonade one. I didn't too much care for the California Girl, and then the purple one, I really do like that one too. But once you guys see me swatch them, then I definitely want you to drop a comment down below and let me know which ones you like, or like I did, like I like a lot of them or pretty much all of them. So just tell me which ones you like more, which ones you could be like, oh, I could live without that one. And also drop a comment and let me know how you guys have been doing. I feel like lately things have been pretty peaceful in life. We did have International Peace Day a couple of days ago, and of course we know that fall just started yesterday, and I am a little behind on all of that stuff. Like, oh my gosh, I don't know why. I've already talked to you guys about this. I know one of you guys commented and said like, you're the same as me, like you're not really into just renegotiating your entire life prerogative in light of holidays or seasons, and that's how I feel. So but I personally do take a liking to days like National Peace Day and stuff like that. So I do want to create some peace nails, and I am going to be creating some. I want to create like a super playful, cute look. So I'm just waiting to see exactly how it's gonna go, but I have a general idea. I just have to sit down and put it together, and I have a couple of brands that I have to do reviews for before I can necessarily do the nails that are with the brand that I want to do. So like the piece nail set that I want to do, I want to use those glow gels that you guys saw me use in the previous upload. The only thing is that I have other videos I have to upload first. So we'll film first and upload. So you guys are going to be seeing Rosalind tomorrow. By any means necessary, it must get done. I love Rosalind so much, and I always take forever. I am always so blown away by their products, and I always want to create like super cute sets. And the set that I'm creating with the gel polish set that we unboxed in a previous upload, you guys, I cannot. It's so cute already. But we're not going to talk about that right now because that's not for today. So, by the way, little disclaimer, I readjusted my camera. I need to just set it up and leave it and stop readjusting it. But today I did put it back at the straight down angle. And last time I recorded, I had it at an angle to where it was kind of pointed like more like from my perspective. And so that's why you guys can see I'm filming right there. Like that's my target area. And every time I looked at the camera, I was like, am I in the camera? And then I would move down and I'll be like, oh God, I hope I was in the camera. But you guys can see that I'm not. So if this is your first time on my channel, I just want to let you know that this happens sometimes. I mean, it happens a lot because I rearrange all the time. So I do apologize in advance, you guys. I did not mean to do this. When I readjusted the camera, I mean like the angle, I was like, you know what? You shouldn't do that. But I still did it. But I think I did like the angle that it was at last time, because it was pretty easy to work at that angle. But anyways, so this is just like this one is super, super orange. I do like it, honestly. You know what? It feels like I would love to do a French tip with this color because I know you guys have seen me repost orange nails before, and this is giving those vibes. So I think I'm going to do a French tip set with that color. But this next one, it was my favorite. I was amazed by how it literally almost had no acrylic. Watch, you guys. Hopefully you can see it because I messed it up on the filming. But oh my, look at, oh, it's just all glitter. And I flipped it over and I'm like, is this working correctly? Like, what the heck? Literally all glitter, and I was so obsessed. I really, 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 really love this one. But yeah, so I don't know. I don't think I have any other updates right away. I do have a little countdown on my desktop for the giveaway announcement, and it looks like there's about 8 days left for me to get everything situated. I do want to let you guys know the giveaway will last for a while because so it's going to start on October 1st or somewhere in that range. And let me go ahead and pull my calendar up really quickly. This will just be like a little chit chat video as always. Sorry for any of the new people who don't care. Okay, so next Saturday is October 1st. So, I think the announcement will be either on October 1st or October 3rd, which is that Monday. And that will be that. And then the giveaway will end on December 5th. It's going to end on December 5th because look at this, you guys. Look at it. Look at it. I basically want to do it to where it's kind of like really, it's just, I can't tell you guys too much stuff ahead of time because I have a lot planned, but it's going to be a long while that we're going to do the giveaway, and that's going to require a lot of commitment on my end. which is one reason why I'm so excited about this. And I will give you guys more details, but for now, it looks like we have about 8 days left until our giveaway announcement. And you guys, I'm going to be working my little butt off, but that's neither here nor there. This is the Cancer one, and look how beautiful it is. There is nothing. This is giving everything it needs to give plus more. I mean, literally, I cannot. But I'm going to stop talking and let you guys enjoy the rest of the swatches. And I will be back at the end so that we can see. Actually, I'm going to come back. Well, I don't think I'm really going to leave very long because I want to talk to you guys about the purple one. But yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so here's the purple one. And honestly, you guys, I don't have a lot of practice with colored acrylic powders aside from like I have Glitz and Glam acrylic powder and like glow in the dark. But other than that, I don't even have any colored acrylics, and that's why I purchased these. But I actually purchased from House of Supplies, and we're going to be unboxing those very soon. And those are more of like regular colors. These ones were mostly glitters, but you guys, you see how this turned out, so I did not know what I was doing. So I was like, I'm just going to try to see if I can do like an application over the front of the nail. And so then I ended up doing it, and I was like, the only thing that's confusing me is that I don't know if this is supposed to end up being the light purple in the end result or the dark purple in the end result. But when I laid it on the nail and I started to like just brush over it, it looked like it was all turning into one solid color, which was the lighter color purple. And I was like, okay, well, I guess this is the color that it's supposed to be. It looks like it's giving me an even application. And so, yeah, she's giving 2, honey. Yes, sweetheart. No, I'm just kidding, guys. But listen, look at it. And I do love the buttery feeling of this acrylic powder. It was very pleasurable. I really enjoyed it. And this purple literally is so beautiful. So you guys are going to see. And after this, I'm going to show you guys all of the colors. I definitely want you guys to drop a comment down below and let me know which colors you like the best. Do you guys have any of these acrylic powders? Because if you do, I need you to tag me in your designs so that I can see how you put them to use. But here are our few colors from Fairy Glamor. And yeah, you guys, you will be seeing me use them soon. And I love you guys so much. Holla. Peace.